Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Nestor here with my little boy Isaac. Can you say hey, buddy? Hey, hey. Want to let you know what you're going to be doing this rotation for life skills. So we've got, you're going to open up OneNote and go to the digital footprint section. And there's just one page in there that you're going to complete. And there are 3 sections on the one page. I've color coded the 3 sections just to make it easy as possible. But there's a few videos and then some questions and whatnot for you to answer and complete. So take some time to look through it and watch that. Also, enjoy your weekend. Spend some time with your family. Yeah. Can you say hey? I hope you all have a great weekend. Please let me know if there's anything you need, and I'll be having office hours today from 2 to 3 as well. Have a great time. We'll see y'all later.